Alright, so customer brought us this truck saying that his blower motor is not working. Turn all the way up on 5. Nothing's coming out of the vents. He says sometimes it'll work on 4, sometimes it'll work on 3. But right now we don't have anything. We're gonna get up underneath the dash of this thing and I'll show you all what can fix this problem. Okay, so we're up underneath the dash on the passenger side. You need to take this piece of plastic down. You have 3 bolts, 7 millimeters. And right there, this one's a little bit tough to get to. Right up in there. Got the plastic out of the way. See here. This is your blower motor resistor. It's got this group of wires that comes off, but it's also got this red and black wire that comes off and goes to your blower motor. I want to show y'all. Let me get the plug off out here. So if I'm in a good spot. Just push this in and pull. Check this out. The pigtail going to my blower motor is burned up. That's why it won't kick on. So we're gonna order a new resistor. It should come with this wiring harness. I'm gonna get that ordered, get it on there and see what happens. So in order to get this resistor off of there, you're gonna need a 5.5 socket. Should be 2 bolts holding, one on each side here. Okay, so we got the new one hooked up. Turn this on here. Here, pulling out. See all the dust flying out of it where it hasn't been running for so long. Turn the gear down. Down. And 1. And off. I hope this video helped y'all. Please subscribe.